Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog, or should I say welcome to my vlog. My name is Reneline and I'm so happy and excited that you are here me today. Wait kayo. So, this is my first time making a vlog, so please bear with me. I get a little shy or make some mistake, everyone. Start somewhere, and today we're beginning for my vlogging journey. For today's video, I will be sharing a little bit about myself. Malambang. So guys, my name is Reneline, and di na ako masabas kong edad. Basta di na ako masabas kong edad kay di pwede. So guys, next kala pa ko, and akong grade 12 na ko, and akong strand kay akong strand kay ko kay malamang magpraktis nagluto-luto kay in case joke ra. In case og di tamang human, so kabalot ang luto malamang ganun. So guys, so I am student of the one of my interesting is cookery. Pero marami tayo napili guys kay kan guys. So narito akong mga friends ganun. I enjoy learning how to prepare different dishes and discovering new recipe. Aside from that, I also love spending time with my friends. Ganon, maong na akong cookery. And creating memories that I can look back on someday. In this channel, you can expect different kinds of content such as my daily routine, school activities, cookery experience, challenge, and many more. I hope that through these videos, we can get to know each other. Malamang. We build a wonderful community together. Hoy, community! Starting a vlog has always been something I wanted to try because I want to document my experience, share thoughts, and inspire others to be confident and trying new things. Even I'm not a perfect, I believe that every small tip is worth it. Malamang worth it. Thank you for much of talking the time to watch my very first vlog. Hope you support me. Means a lot of me. I thoroughly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. You won't miss my future uploads. Once again, I am Reneline, and this is the start of my exciting journey. See you in my next video. Take care and stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye guys. Love you. Momo kayo sa aking lahat. Charot. Bye guys.
Apel ko na.
Mara to Sabaan kayo malamang. Uy, si malamang gaga.